Welcome to the Quizzes, Teasers, and Trivia channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Can you guess where these foods were invented? What country do you think gave us the croissant? Austria. The origin of the croissant can actually be traced back to 13th century Austria, where it was called the Kipferl, the German word for crescent. What country do you think gave us chocolate? Mexico. Chocolate's 4,000-year history began in ancient Mesoamerica, present-day Mexico. The Olmec were the first to turn the cacao plant into chocolate. What country do you think gave us fortune cookies? Japan. In flavor and appearance, they resemble a cookie called Tsujura Senbei that originated in Kyoto, Japan, in the 1800s. Fortune cookies were introduced to Americans by a Japanese man named Makoto Hagiwara in 1914 in San Francisco. What country do you think gave us French fries? Belgium. There is a bit of a dispute about the origin of French fries between France, Spain, and Belgium, but, according to BBC, the crispy spuds were most likely invented in Belgium. What country do you think gave us ice cream? China. The earliest evidence of anything approaching ice cream being made was in China in the Tang period, AD 618 to 907. What country do you think gave us hot dogs? Germany. Frankfurt am Main, Germany, is traditionally credited with originating the Frankfurter. What country do you think gave us pasta? China. According to history, however, pasta's earliest roots begin in China, during the Shang Dynasty, 1700 to 1100 BC, where some form of pasta was made with either wheat or rice flour. What country do you think gave us coffee? Ethiopia. What country do you think gave us bagels? Poland. Bagels originated in the Jewish communities of Poland. They are traditionally shaped by hand from yeasted wheat dough that is first boiled for a short time in water and then baked. What country do you think gave us potato chips? United States of America. The potato chip was invented in Saratoga Lake, New York. Its inventor was a cook named George Speck, the son of an African-American father and Native American mother. What country do you think gave us cheesecake? Greece. Over 4,000 years ago, in the 5th century BC, the ancient Greeks on the island of Samos created the earliest known cheesecake. What country do you think gave us ketchup? Ketchup originated in China. The first version was based on pickled fish and looked more like a soy sauce and was called ketchup or ketchup, meaning fish sauce. What country do you think gave us hamburgers? Germany. Hamburgers were created in Hamburg, Germany. They were a popular street food, served with onions and spices on top of a ground beef patty. German immigrants brought them to America and they quickly became a popular item on menus across the country.